Hello everyone. In this little video, I'm going to show you how to make battle damage on your models. With my electric drill bit, I will mark the spots where I want to add those bad damages to. Be careful you don't go all the way and that you reach your hand, but it's okay to pass through and see a hole since we're trying to recreate the effect of a bullet or projectile passing through. Using an actual drill with a larger drill bit, I will hollow out the surface of each spot that I just made. For this, be careful, you don't want to go all the way in. You just want to make an indentation as the projectile or the missile hits the armor. It creates that wide opening on the top, narrowing down as it goes in. So that's what we're trying to show here. This is what I am left off with, and you can stop here, but I'm going to show you how to make these damages a little bit more dramatic. Using a flat blade, it is the best to use for this process. What I did was I chiseled out these lines, blending them in with the damage all around, and here's a little demonstration showing how I did it. So you basically want to do it sideways as I'm showing here. Careful that you don't do it too hard so the blade won't slip and it will catch your hand or your fingers. This is not my first rodeo. It's happened to me in the past, so take it from me. Anytime you're using any tools or chemicals, safety is first. So take your time for this and do as much as you can, as much as you want, or as little as you want. A battle damage is not a specific length or size, it's just organic. So just like this, you can make as much battle damage all around your miniature models, and it will give it a realistic look. Using a fine grit sandpaper, smooth out those holes. And if you want to make or simulate an older battle damage, I like to use Tamiya's plastic cement or any plastic cement. And because this is a dissolvable plastic, the cement will be able to smooth down those lines you just made and basically making the damage look like it happened a long time ago and it's just there. And for this, you don't need to use a lot of cement, just a little bit to smooth out the lines. It serves as a way of sanding it down, if you will. And just like that, you have yourself some nice looking battle damage. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Until next time.